Donkey Jaw Projects.
Another quick one today, guys. This is day 62 of 100 Days of Making Comics. Did my half an hour, maybe a little bit more. It always looks cool to me when you draw the panels, ink the panels in. Usually I've been inking them in before I even put the drawings in. But this time I really felt like I wasn't sure 100% how it was going to go, so I waited till after I drew the whole thing to make sure. But usually I already have it planned out better, but this one was just too complicated of a page. I want to make sure I could fit everything in with enough breathing room. But yeah, here's the page all penciled. I know some of this looks really rough, but I don't know. You get to a point where you're just like, I'll just ink it in the rest of the details sometimes. So yeah, that's about it today. Yeah, nothing too profound or anything. Hopefully you guys have a good day, a good night. It's about to be Friday, end of the week. So have a great weekend. I will be back tomorrow, though. This is day 63, signing off. Peace out.